Te guarda lì in quel puntino bianco, va bene?
Ok.
Ciao! Hi everyone, this is All Things Italian again. I am with my sweetheart Tanina, and we continue in this tour of Italy, and today we take you to the Amalfi Coast. Well, not only the Amalfi Coast, but the Naples area. The region is called Campania, and it's very well known for the pizza. Today we're going to make pizza margherita. Okay, pizza margherita. Margherita in Italian means daisy, but actually the name doesn't come from the daisy, but it comes from the Queen of Italy. Her name was Margherita, and a pizza maker from Naples. When the Queen went to Naples to visit Naples, dedicated this new pizza to her in honor of her name. And not by chance, the name was Margherita, and the color was green, white, and red, which are the colors of the flag of Italy, and are exactly the colors of the pizza margherita, which is basil, the mozzarella cheese, and tomatoes. Okay, so this is a brief introduction, historical introduction about this delicious pizza. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can follow what we are going to make for more All Things Italian. And if you're watching this on Facebook, follow our page, and we'll certainly put more interesting recipes. Okay, so don't waste more time, and today we're going to make the dough first. Telling you later about all the topping ingredients, but let's focus on the dough first. Okay, what are the ingredients of the dough now? We have flour, and the flour is 600 grams, which is 1 pound, 0.3. I hope that those who use the imperial system can understand. 1.3 pounds, so 600 grams of all-purpose flour that we have also mixed with a little bit of semolina flour. So the whole thing is 600 grams or 1.3 pounds. Okay, we have already mixed it. You can put half and half. Believe me, you have to find your way. So this is the flour, and then we have 7 grams of brewer's yeast, and then 10 grams of salt. We need 3 spoons, big spoons of olive oil, and we then need about 0.9 pounds of water, which is 400 milliliters or grams, which, as you can see, I'm much more familiar with the metric system, but I'm getting there, so don't worry. Okay, so we can start.
Allora, mettiamo il lievito nella farina.
Okay, so just put all the yeast, the brewer's yeast, in the flour, and with your hands in this beautiful, you know, glass bowl, start.
Grande, questo è piccolino, solo perché poi lo spostiamo.
Start mixing it. Do you like it?
Sì.
Mm-hmm. Tanina is very happy to put the hands in the flour. It's a nice feeling, that's what she says. Okay, so now we add 80% of water in 2 or 3 steps. And you can mix it with a spoon or a fork.
In questa fase ci si può aiutare un po' con le mani.
So now you can use your hands. Once that you get to a certain consistency, so once that you get to this certain consistency, see, there's still lots of clods, of course, you put the salt inside. And keep working it with your hands.
Yeah.
Now you put olive oil, 3 spoons of olive oil. There you go. And the remaining 20% of whatever it remains of water. And now the best part, as you can use your hands, it's even more happy now.
È anti-stress.
Anti-stress. When you get to this consistency, then you cover it with cling film. E quanto ce la facciamo stare?
15-20 minuti.
And you let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. We have put on the board, we put the semolina flour. Semolina is coarser than regular flour, so this is what we need. As we are putting on the dough on the semolina, it won't go into the dough, but it will like coat it outside. Okay? Okay.
Ah, la parte mi piace di più.
È così. So now we're working the dough more firmly, more strongly. We now put the dough in a bowl that you can cover with a cap, with the top. And we will put the dough to sleep for 24 hours in the fridge. So we're now putting the bowl in the fridge, in the lower space. Okay. Normally you put vegetables in this part of the fridge. Okay. We will talk about it in 24 hours. Okay, there you go. We have taken the dough out of the fridge and now we are ready for the next preparation. Okay, so now we're working on the topping and we are heating just a bit. It must be more than tepid, the tomato sauce. So we added some salt and black pepper.
Lo scaldiamo così non ferma la lievitazione della pizza.
The reason why we want to heat the tomato sauce is that when we put it on the pizza dough, if it's too cold, then that is not good because it's going to stop the raising of the pizza.
Andiamo alla mozzarella.
And now we cut the mozzarella cheese in slices.
Ecco qui piccino. Senti come frigge il pesce.
Questo qui ci vuole la farina.
Sì.
It's important that now you are going to open from the middle, but the outside of the crust, you want to squeeze all the bubbles towards the crust, okay? Don't non lo devo staccare tanto mi sa che hai schiacciato troppo.
Di qua, sì. Una parte va bene, ora. Vedere va bene così, di misura, no? Non so.
Proviamola così, magari. Now we have heated this flat pan that you can use for pancakes, and we are going to put the dough. And slowly, we put our pizza on it. See? Then with the handles we put it back on the fire. Back to the fire. Back to the fire, and you want to make to put the beautiful tomato sauce. Just leave the space for the crust outside, like you know, one inch, one couple of centimeters. Wait for the mozzarella. The mozzarella is not now. And then you want to cover with a cap, with a top. We don't have a top as enough big for this pan, so we put another pan on top. this is how it looks, and you want to check that underneath it's already cooked, I would say. So maybe 1 more minute on the pan, and then we put it in the oven. We have prepared the oven at 250 degrees, 250, and we put the grill, just the top of the grill, and the shelf is the high one, so we want the pizza to be close to the grill. So now we put the mozzarella cheese, enough. I mean, be generous, una quantità generosa.
Sì, sì, ho capito.
We want to make a good pizza here. You can adjust the amount of salt, of olive oil, and pepper that you put in the tomato. And now the pizza is ready. I mean, the pan with the pizza is ready to go into the oven. Okay, there you go. Can you see? It's very, very close to the top of the oven, where the heat comes from. And so now we wait about 5 minutes. It really depends on your oven. So I think we are almost there. And voila, our pizza is ready with its beautiful crust. Now we garnish it with basil and olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, and ta-da! The pizza is ready. Look how beautiful. So now we have this beautiful pizza ready for us. Look how beautiful. This is exactly what we wanted. Check the back, I mean the bottom, which must be brownish but not too burnt. Wonderful. Okay, Tanina, hold it. Ciao everybody.
Ciao.
Ciao everybody. So eventually we are very, very happy to eat this pizza. Delicious. Buon appetito.